Hello, and welcome to another episode of Squeaky Wheel Productions Disability Series. Today's topic is personal care, and this is part 4 of our health and wellness mini-series. What is personal care? Who benefits from it, and why is it important? We'll learn the answers to each of these questions and more. Let's get started. Personal care refers to the provision of physical and emotional care or companionship to individuals with permanent disabilities. There are two main types of personal care. These are home care, which is delivered to an individual in their own home, and long-term care, which is delivered to an individual in a dedicated care facility. Both types of care have their own advantages and disadvantages. Now let's look at some specific examples of personal care. There are many examples of personal care as they relate to daily living tasks. Common duties include grooming and basic hygiene, toileting, bathing, dressing, and meal preparation. As you can see, the list of everyday care tasks goes on and on. For this reason, personal care benefits everyone, as illness or injury can affect any person at any time, but it is the elderly and individuals with long-term disabilities who benefit from personal care the most. So how does personal care work? Personal care can be divided into 4 main steps. These are 1. Assessment and diagnosis, 2. Planning, 3. Implementation, and 4. Evaluation. Watch this week's vlog to learn more about the basics of personal care. So why is personal care important? In essence, personal care is important as it enables individuals with permanent disabilities to live independent or functional lives. Personal care allows individuals with special needs to be treated with the respect and dignity they deserve. Well, that's all for this week. Now I'd like to hear from you. What does personal care mean to you? Please let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this episode and would like to see more videos like this one, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel or support me on Patreon. To learn more about personal care, be sure to check out this week's vlog and the additional resources below. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.